Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can schedule your automatic updates for your games in the Steam library in 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so if you for instance don't like the idea of manually updating your games and the game content, you can set up automatic updates, and you can even restrict these to a specific time of the day so that they will be conducted automatically by Steam within that time span and not outside of that time span. So what you want to do guys is click into Steam in the top left and navigate to your account settings, and from there simply head over to downloads and here enable the schedule auto updates feature. And you guys, as previously mentioned, simply restrict these automatic updates to a specific time of the day. Let's say for example 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and within that hour Steam will then automatically conduct these updates for games that have, for example, newer versions or updates that can be downloaded and installed and not outside of these hours. Okay, so if you'd like to turn that feature off, toggle it off here and that should do it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.